Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to set up and manage vendors in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time, so you know what, let's just jump straight into it. The first thing we're going to need to do is of course log into Wave, and once we're logged in with our credentials and on the main dashboard, we're just going to click on purchases, and down on the purchases you're going to find bills. You find that in the left hand menu. Next we're going to click create a bill, and under vendor we're going to click add a new vendor. Now we're going to enter the vendor's details like their name, contact information, and of course payment terms. Once that's done, just save the vendor and finish filling out the bill details. Now to view or edit a vendor, all you got to do is go to purchases and you'll find vendors. Now from here you can manage contact information and view past bills that are linked to each of these vendors. And that's how to set up your vendor and stay on top of business obligations in Wave. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.